No, no. I'm just kidding. Welcome to BOXABL Casita. Come on in, take a look around. BOXABL Casita has 9.5-foot ceilings, 8-foot tall windows, 8-foot tall doors. Everything is 3 foot wide. Gives you a tremendous sense of space. It's one of our secret sauce ingredients to really make everything feel very, very big. The Casita is also 19 by 19. So not so tiny when you think our other product in this space is about 8 foot wide. Nobody wants to live in something that's 8 foot wide. So these are 19 foot wide. It's really a different feeling. And the Casita is basically divided. The design, I wonder if it's the most successful design in the history of creation, actually, with 170,000 pre-orders, but that's just me being immodest for the company. But the design, a lot of thought's gone into the design with our designers, and it's basically in quadrants. So where I'm standing right now is in this quadrant over here, which is the bedroom quadrant, which is a queen-size bed, full queen-size bed. There's nothing half-sized about BOXABL or even the BOXABL Casita. In this quadrant over here is the bathroom, because nighttime, go to the bathroom. That's what happens. So the layout is very good for what we call the back of the house, and we've got a back door here which we can take a look at. But first, check out the bathroom. So in this unit we've got a full glass door. It's pretty nice. And over here, a nice compact washer dryer. Those boxed in, so you can put a laundry center over here. Really super functional. We pay a lot of attention to storage. So come on in. It's really nice. Always neutral colors, because we don't know who's going to live in it. So they need to be able to dial it in with their own style, their own substance. So if we make them mostly white with neutral colors, black and white, black and gray, white and gray, it just appeals to a very broad audience. Quartz counters, tons and tons of storage. Big announcement on our cabinetry coming soon. I think it's going to be pretty mind-blowing for the market. So sorry to tease, but I can't tell you more than that right now. And look at this huge shower, 8 foot tall. I'm probably around 6'2" with my cowboy boots on. So very tall. But if I was in bare feet and I was really 6'2", which I'm not, that's a really tall shower head. And when you stand in here, because this is so tall, most showers are about here, it feels grand. It feels absolutely great. And it feels like you're really in a very generous space, which frankly, you are. So let's go to the front of the house and I can describe that. So here's the front of the house. This is where we walked in. And again, here's the quadrant. We walk in. Over to the left is a couch, TV, closet. And over to the right, because you're on the couch watching the TV, we need snacks. So the kitchen is next to the couch. And look at this. Huge Z-Wave countertop, quartz. Beautiful little hanging light, so you can do some work. You can get a coffee or dinner with your significant other or just a friend. And just very, very nice. Twin sinks, window over the sink. Who doesn't want a window over the sink? So when you can ask somebody else to wash the dishes for you, at least you're giving them a nice view. And again, lots and lots of cabinetry. I'm dying to tell you the upgrade on the cabinetry we're doing, because it's mind-blowing, but I can't do it today. And because it's Casita and everything is full-size, you know, we have obviously a full-size fridge, which is pretty nice. Obviously, somebody's been drinking what appears to be very inexpensive champagne, so that's clearly not mine. And yeah, pretty nice. We change always with these. We're constantly changing on the appliances. We're actually coming out with our own branded appliances, which is pretty good. We can raise the quality, lower the price, which is the BOXABL way, and do them in large volumes. How about we turn around and take a look out back? One of the nice things about Casita is we offer them with back doors. So you get a front door and a back door, and you say, why do I need a back door in something that's 19 foot by 19 foot? And it's so that you can have a yard. You can have a really generous yard. You can make this as big as you want. So depending on your use case, on what your plot is like, or what you plan on doing with the Casita, just leaving this door open expands the living space. It actually expands the inside living space, depending on, you know, if your climate is moderate. So beautiful flooring. It's all part of the BOXABL system. We're not in production with this yet, but they just lay down, snap together. We're thinking of everything we can for our customers. The goal of BOXABL is to solve the housing crisis. Very, very tiny goal. We'll see if we get there. I think we have a really good shot at getting there. And the goal of BOXABL is three things: the highest quality, the lowest cost, and the maximum speed, because we have to deliver in high volumes. Those are the three legs of our table, which makes it very stable.